That sound? That's a centrifugal juicer destroying nutrients. But what if I told you that not all cold-pressed juicers are created equal? Some are overpriced scams, while others are health game changers. We juiced hundreds of pounds of produce to find the top 5 masticating juicers on the market. The performance difference between number 1 and number 5 is absolutely staggering. All the links to find the best deals are in the description. Let's uncover the truth. Starting at number 1. Hamilton Beach Masticating Slow Juicer. Our top pick. Juicers can be notoriously difficult to store due to their many parts and often bulky frames, but we had no issues fitting this lightweight model into cabinets or moving it around the kitchen. At the same time, it's not difficult to assemble or disassemble since all the pieces clip or lock into place, and everything stacks together for storage. This juicer is also fast. It took just under 4 minutes to juice our ginger, the second quickest out of all tested. Although the juicer did not struggle with any of the produce, it was least effective with the carrots. However, the resulting carrot juice was velvety smooth with a perfectly earthy flavor and experienced no separation or foam after spending a night in the fridge. The juicer was quiet enough for raised conversations to be possible even while processing food, so you'll be less likely to wake sleeping household members while making your morning juice. While the feed chute is not designed for larger or whole produce, it was easy to chop ours into smaller pieces to feed through. Likewise, there were no issues with stability or motor overheating during tests, and there was no leakage or splattering. The shape and size of the parts make for a quick cleanup, and the strainer, funnel, chute, auger, containers, food pusher, and juicer cap are all safe to put in the dishwasher. Number 2. Ninja NeverClog Cold Press Juicer. Best value. Compared to centrifugal juicers, cold-press juicers typically come with a higher price tag, which is why it's so important to consider value while shopping for the right one. Cheaper isn't always better since a poorly performing juicer will yield less juice and cause more food waste in the long run. This Ninja juicer excelled with ginger and apples, either doubling or tripling the juice-to-pulp ratio during tests. Overnight, the carrot juice and apple juice both developed a sweeter flavor, and there was no separation other than a small layer of foam on top of the carrot, kale, and apple juices. In tests, the base of this juicer felt a little more flimsy than others when applying pressure from the food pusher, but not so much that it became unstable. The large feed chute allowed for whole produce, including whole carrots and kale leaves, without issue. It was easy to clean since the parts twist off and only require a quick rinse between uses, and everything is top-rack dishwasher safe aside from the motor base. True to its name, the Ninja NeverClog had no issues with clogging or jamming during tests. Number 3. Omega Vertical Masticating Juicer. Best quiet. Not only was this the second quietest juicer we tested, but it was also one of the best performing. We love its sleek design, available in red or silver, and upgraded features like automatic pulp ejection and a dual-edge auger that add to its value. It's pricey, but you get what you pay for. This juicer yielded an incredible amount of high-quality juice, and the pulp came out super dry during tests. The Omega juiced the carrots faster than any other model, but also delivered some impressive times with the kale and apples. Carrot juice had a bright orange color and full flavor, and apple juice was still beautifully tart and flavorful on the second day. We did experience some clogging with the ginger, but it was quickly cleared by simply switching the motor into reverse. Overall, there isn't much we would change about this juicer. The feed chute could be larger, but it's not a deal breaker when you consider how well the juicer performs. Number 4. NutriBullet Slow Juicer. Best for beginners. The NutriBullet Slow Juicer offers a great introduction to the world of juicing for a couple of reasons. First, it performed beautifully across the board, yielding 17 ounces more juice than pulp in the apple test and producing an 85% juice yield in the ginger test, the highest out of all models. It also juiced our kale in 4 minutes and 35 seconds and apples in 2 minutes and 3 seconds, beating out even the much pricier Kuvings juicer. Second, its controls are super intuitive and easy to use. There's a single button that shifts between on, off, and reverse, as well as a reset button on the bottom in case the motor stops mid-use due to an obstruction. Even better, everything we juiced during the testing period went through without a need for the plastic plunger, and the wide mouth allows for whole and larger pieces of produce to go in without additional prep. Although the juice came out bright and delicious initially, we found that the quality degraded overnight, so this model may be best for those who plan to drink their juice right away. Number 5. Omega Time-Saving Cold Press Batch Juicer. The Omega time-saving cold-press batch juicer is sleeker and more compact than other juicers I've used in the past. Most importantly, it's very easy to take apart and wash either by hand or in the dishwasher. I especially love that there's no mesh filter since those can be a pain to clean. It's also simple to use since there is only one button. Pushing up powers it on, and pushing down unclogs the machine. It is fairly quiet while running and only starts to increase in volume with larger, more dense ingredients like carrots and ginger. My go-to combination is apple, carrot, beet, and lemon. The resulting juice is fresh, smooth, and incredibly flavorful. In my initial tests, the machine clogged up a bit with large quantities of ginger, so I suggest cutting fibrous ingredients into smaller pieces and adding them in gradually. Otherwise, the extra-large hopper is great for loading up ingredients for big batches of juice or even single servings hands-free. Although the top portion of the juicer tends to get a little wobbly while working through dense ingredients, the heavy base always remains steady. So, whether you're a juicing newbie or a seasoned pro looking to upgrade, one of these 5 machines is your key to healthier living. Which one are you getting? Let me know in the comments. If this review helped you on your health journey and saved you money, support the channel, give this video a like, share it with someone who needs more greens in their life, and subscribe for more honest wellness tech reviews. Your health is an investment. Choose wisely.